Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the exterior of the building. Um, to my left here is our mock-up wall. Basically, we need the mock-up wall to sort of help decide, make sure all the finishes sort of work out, the colors work out. You can sort of see there's different. They try to compress everything on the exterior in this little wall. So it has a window, it has a sliding door, it has handrails. We have basically just two different veneers on the building, and that's brick and lap siding. You can sort of see here on my right the different stages we're at. We have a building wrap that's going up right now. Our siding guy is actually on the back side of the building, and he's making his way around the corner.